Hey guys, Jacob here from Pistonhead Productions. As you can tell, it's a little snowy here still in Canada, but that is all going to change for me because I am flying down to Pheonix, Arizona next week to hang out with the guys from Maximum Driftcast, with Paco, with Bryan, and we are going to be rebuilding their LS400. And we're going to be doing it in just a week. That's it. So we got a bunch of awesome companies on board, Nitrous Express, Mishimoto, STR Racing Wheels, and Go Fast Entertainment. We are going to be rebuilding the car that, well, this happened. So 1 week of locking myself in the shop with a bunch of people helping me out. I'm going to rebuild that car. We're going to be live streaming a bunch. You're going to see videos come out on our channel, Pistonhead Productions. You're going to see them on Tofu Drift Van. You'll see them on 8-Bit Bryan. You'll see them everywhere. So make sure to check out all of the links down in the description so you can see all the companies that are helping us out, as well as where you'll be able to find more information on this build. Also, if you are in the Phoenix area, make sure to check out Wild Horse Raceway, where Go Fast Entertainment is going to be having their drift and drags, where we'll be debuting the car on April 28th. So if you're in that area, make sure to come out and see us. Come say hi, come check out the car, come see what we're able to accomplish in just 1 week. Like I said, the car's in a bit of disrepair from that nasty wall tap, but there's also engine work that's got to be done. There's transmission work that's got to be done. The car needs a full teardown and rebuild, so I'm going to try and do that in just a week. But make sure to check out everything, guys. This is going to be an insane build. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to do that. Also, hit the little notification bell on all of our channels, so that way you can see when the live streams go up, so you can see when the videos come up. We're going to be putting out this content fast and furious as much as possible. And we want you guys to be involved as well. Leave us comments. What do you want to see us do on this car? More power, more angle, more reliability, more insanity. That is what this build is all going to be about. So make sure to check out all the companies involved. Make sure to subscribe to all the different channels, and we'll see you guys in a week.